In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, O Allah, save new generation, especially Hindu, Christians and Muslim new generation. They don't understand hereafter life. And only Almighty God, Allah proof Islam is a true like. Because I give one example. Day before yesterday I make English video. Only computer kids can solve this problem. So man give to you computer and Allah blow up soul in Adam body. That's why man is a smart and he give to computer for all mankind. Now you can see internet, YouTube or Google, you can find any other religion beside Allah, Islam. But you can make sure why Jesus not give to computer. Make sure why Hindu God, Shiva, Ram, Ganesh not give to computer. Why they not use internet. Even cell phone. Think about. Cell phone, you can talk everywhere in the world today. No restriction for all mankind. If you are black or white, doesn't matter. If your language is Hindi, Urdu or English, Spanish, doesn't matter. If your color, if your country, doesn't matter. If you're living in China, Russia or America, doesn't matter. These all barriers you don't have for phone. These all barriers you don't have for computer also. They not ask you what religion, why you using computer. They not ask why you using cell phone for, other person is Muslim or Christian or Hindu. They didn't ask. They just want to be continue conversation. Simple. Man give it to you, computer man give it to you, cell phone. That's why your communication going on, conservation is simple, without restrictions like for religion or language or color or country. So Almighty God give it to you very good life. Only one life you have. Just you can remember in India, Bollywood actor, 34 years old, Sushant Singh Rajput. He is famous. 6 movies super hit he give to that, and 1 is a blockbuster. So the guy he give to very good earning like his life, and he have depression. No doubt economically he is well, because he give to relief fund in Kerala. More than 1 crore. I mean, you can say $1 million like he give to charity. So he don't have, money problem. He have only bullying. The man bullying in India. They jealous. Karan Johar, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Kapoor, Alia Bhatt. And this, young generation, they not respect other person. So this is the evil mind. That's why I give to you one example to understand this computer everybody can use. Why I give to suicide example? Because they bullying and he not tolerate that and he suicide. So same thing, I'm not tolerating today. My video is something going wrong. So this is bullying like evil minds. You can say computer open for all mankind, computer open for all religion, computer open for all countries and language also, even colors also, black, dark or white. So why there restrictions? Why they bullying me like? Example to understand Sushant Singh Rajput, he died, he can't tolerate that, and he take himself, suicide because of some Bollywood stars. They don't like him. They make enemy. They jealous. Same thing today. This my challenge for my new generation. I give to you very very good example why I have restrictions in my video. Try to understand. This is evil mind. They don't know Allah. They don't know Islam. They don't know Jesus not give to Bible. They don't know Jesus not give to computer. They don't know Jesus not give to cell phone. Same thing Hindu God. He not give to cell phone or computer. But they want to be restriction. In India, my videos is not famous today. Not only me. Other people also says, they don't have, internet in Kashmir. They want to be censored like. You can't say openly freedom of speech they don't have in India. If Muslims say something against Hinduism or government, they arrest, they behind the bar and they're giving torture, they're giving hard time. So, why they have restrictions in computer? If this computer man-made for mankind, all can use, like plane everybody can use, travel everywhere you want to go, even current or cell phone or computer or technology or Google, and you can chit chat with everybody. You can watch your relative's face. If you're talking, I'm living in America, I'm talking with my sister in India, so I can see her face, she can see my face. This is all simple freedom man give to that. Jesus or Hindu God not give to this kind of freedom, and they came in my conservation time, my message time, and they're giving hard time. Who's going to solve this problem? Think about this technology, only 100 years. Movies, you can see man is alive like. If you want to see Sushant Singh, before he died, his movies alive like in the camera. And Hindu, they don't understand. Even Hindu, they don't have, he suicide. In Islam says, you can't suicide. Even Hindu, they says they have 7, lives, incarnational life. You can't see anyone in this earth. So, all bullshit they have, but they don't understand. India, why not develop? For example, you can see always there says Pakistan, 16 kilometers far, Tajikistan, such a beautiful. Girls look like angels. Hur they call. Beautiful sceneries, beautiful weather over there. Economy is good, better than Pakistan and India. China and Russian countries, small countries, develop. India is a dark country, dark future, dark minds, because they not tolerate other person. They jealous. Not only in the film industry, even leadership, they want to be killed. So man cannot expose. Suppose India going wrong, like man cannot expose America going wrong today because coronavirus, white and black problem here. Many black people die. I can't explain that. Even in India, many people die in corona and they don't have money and they're charging hospitals. If you are patient, they're asking bed money, 4,000. If you are patient, one day, 20,000 rupees. If you are, bedridden over the 3 days, 4 days, they charge, 4 lakhs like. So this is Indian mentality today. They not help doctors, they not help, nurses like hospitals. They don't want to be helped for common blue collar laborers. So this is the worst time in India, and man, he made camera, man, he made, computer, man, he made cell phone. You can use this says, and Hindu card, show me any good example for Hinduism. They helping or not today? You can show me any good example in America, Christianity, they helping or not today? Black people dying, labor dying in India. So wake up, try to understand Almighty God Allah. He give to you Quran, same guidance in computer. You can check. Man wants to be helped because Almighty God blew up, breathe in Adam body, and Hindu, they can't prove Adam they have like. They don't have his story. Even in Christianity, they don't have his story. Oh my Muslim, wake up. This is the worst time. Only one life you have. Oh my young generation, Hindu or Christian, you have only one life, and you die as a faithful. Believe strong. Allah, find out Quran in computer. You can find other religions also. You can't find like this, example. Then I want to be close this video. 99 names. Asma ul Husna, they call. 99 attributes Almighty God Allah. Just 1 month back, Atif Aslam singing that Asma ul Husna, he recite that and he admired Allah. They call Hamd and Sana they call. Hamdo Sana they call. You can, admire Almighty God in your poem. They call Nazm. In your, language, Shairi they call Urdu. So Asma Husna is Arabic words, and meaning you can see Almighty God 99, and they're not Muslims, Hindu, Christians, in America, in Europe, girls, boys, new generation, they say goosebumps coming. Why? Because Almighty God is a true, He blew up His breath in the body of Adam. That's why they direct connection, they are direct attached, like they have, something special in your body. Like that's why you recognize His name, Allah, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. You recognize this. That's why your goosebumps coming. You crying. You are serious. You want to know what is this meaning like. They don't know Arabic meaning, Almighty God names. But 99 names mean He's a creator, He's a sustainer, He's a provider. He give to everything. He wants to be say, I am your God. If you worship me, if you practice, definitely I give to you heaven. Like this is a direct 99 names proof today. 1 month I am watching everywhere in the world, even Sikhism people, even Hindu, even Christians, even non-believers, all non-believers, they're listening 99 names Asmaul Husna in website. This is for free for all mankind. You can't find Hindu God names like, you can't find Christian God names like, and his attributes like. You can't say this is God like, because they don't have God book in Hinduism. They don't have God book in Christianity. They all man made that.